Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to our grade 11 mathematics class. Last class is discussed about exercise number 1.3, question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5, subset concepts and power sets and universal set concepts. Today, universal set examples, exercise number 1.3, question number 8. Listen, exercise number 1.3, question number 8, chapter 1, set. Okay, listen, subset concept. Question number 8, universal sets. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? So first question, the set of right angles. Set of right angles. So listen, a set of right angles. A set of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right, listen. So right triangle, right angle triangle or right triangle. Okay, so given the set of all right triangles. Set of all right angle triangle or a right triangle. A given question, what universal sets would you propose for each of the following? So first question, we can, the universal set can be written in the form set of right angle. Here listen, set of right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This is triangle. Okay, so triangle, this one is right angle to right angle triangle. So this right angle triangle is subset of this triangle. Okay, subset of the general triangle. So we can write the universal set is take the universal set is set of all triangles. Set of all triangle. So the set of all right triangle triangles is always subset of the set of all triangle. So the set of all right angle triangle is subset of a set of all triangle. So the universal set can be written in the form set of all triangle or the set of all polygon. Okay, set of all polygons. Okay, right. Next, second question. The set of all isosceles triangle. Set of all isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle. Second question. The set of all isosceles triangle. So listen, the set of all isosceles triangle. Listen, first question, set of all right triangle. Second question, isosceles triangle. So this one another one type of triangle. This is right angle triangle. This one is isosceles triangle. So generally, the universal set can be take as set of all triangle. Same as this second one question, we can take the universal set as the set of all triangle. Generally, the set of all triangle mean right angle triangle is one type of triangle, isosceles triangle is another one type of triangle. So the right triangle and the isosceles triangle is also belongs to the sets of all triangles. So these two sets are subset of the set of all triangles. So we can take a universal set can be set of all the triangles, set of all the triangles or set of all polygons or set of all two-dimensional polygon. Set of all triangles or set of all polygon or set of all two-dimensional polygon. Okay, so universal sets are set of all triangles. Both are two questions. as universal set as a set of all triangle or set of all polygon or set of all two-dimensional polygon or universal sets. Okay, right. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Listen, students. Question number 9. Given that set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B equal to 2, 4, 6 and C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as universal sets? Which of the following may be considered as universal set for all the three sets A, B and C? So following set, first one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second one null set. Third one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And fourth one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is following sets, given following sets. Given question, which of the following may be considered as universal sets? Universal set are the following three set A and B and C. Listen, students. Here A has 3 elements 1, 3, 5 and B has 3 elements 2, 4, 6 and C has 5 elements 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You know that a universal set means three sets A, B and C are all subset of any set. That set is called universal set. That set is called universal set. So check the subset concept. The first set, listen. The first question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 is belongs to the set. First question. So the set A is subset of the set A is subset of the first question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And set B 2, 4, 6. Set B has 3 elements 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 is contained in this set, first set. So 2, 4, 6 is belongs to the first set. So the set B is subset of the first question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And next third one set C. Listen, C has 5 elements 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Listen, students, here 0 is belongs to C, but 0 is belongs to first set. Okay, right. Next 2, 4, 6 is always belongs to the first set, but the element 8 is not belongs to in first set. So C is not subset of the first set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the element 8 is not belongs to first set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 is not belongs to in first set. So the first set is not a universal set. It's not a universal set because the set C is not subset of the first set. First question. Okay, first two sets are subset of this first set, but the third set C is not subset of the given first question. So first set is not universal sets. Okay, so universal set means that three sets A, B and C are all contained in this set. That means three sets are subsets of this set, but C is not subset. So first set is not universal. Next, second one 5. You know that pi has 0 number of elements. So A is not subset of pi, and B is also not subset of pi, and C is also not subset of pi. Generally, pi is subset of each and every subset, but every subset is not subset of pi. So A, B and C are not subset of empty set. So second one, the set of all null set. Null set is not a universal set. Okay, so second one is not universal, first one is not universal. Okay, next third one. Check the third one. 0, 1, third set. 0, 1, 2 and so on etc. 10. So given set A has 3 elements, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 is belongs to the third set, and 2, 4, 6 always belongs to in the set. 2, 4, 6 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is always belongs to the set. So the third set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This set is called universal set because the set A, B, C. A, B, C is subset of the sets. Subset of the third one question. So third one question is a universal set of given following a set A, B and C. Okay, so third set is universal set. Next fourth set. Fourth set 0 is not contained in this given set, but 0 is belongs to the third set C. So C is not subset of the last question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last question is not universal set because the third set C is not subset of the set. Okay, so answer third one set. The question number third. The set 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on etc. 10. The set is can be taken universal sets of the given set A, B, C. Okay, right. So the set A, B and C are all subset of the third one question. So third question is universal set. Okay, right. Next. Sixth and seventh question. Sixth and seventh question, interval concept. Intervals of set of all real numbers. You know that set of all real numbers mean in between minus infinite to plus infinite. A set of all numbers in between minus infinite to plus infinite. So listen, a set of all real numbers called minus infinite to plus infinite numbers. In between. This is an interval. This is an interval. So interval concepts. Intervals as subset of R. Intervals as subset of R. So listen students, intervals as subset of R. You know the intervals using the brackets, two types of brackets. This is closed interval. Closed interval. This one is open interval. This one is off close, off open. Off close, off open. Open interval. This one is off open, off close. Great, listen. What is meant by closed interval? Closed interval. For example, closed interval of A comma B. Closed interval of A comma B mean closed interval of A comma B, A and B. close interval of a comma b in between a and b. Close interval of a and b mean the set of all real numbers. Listen students, set of all real numbers in between a to b and including a and b. Okay va? Listen, intervals mean set of all the real numbers in between all real numbers, in between all real numbers. So close interval of a comma b mean the set of all real numbers in between a and b and with a and including a and b, including a and b. Okay va? So set of all real numbers in between a to b and with n points, with n points. Okay va? This mean close interval. Close interval mean with n points. So in the n points நம்ம consider பண்ணிக்கிறோம். N points consider பண்ண. For example, simple written as a x such that x is belongs to r, x is belongs to x such that x is belongs to r, and x value is a less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. Okay va? So close interval of a comma b is written in the roster form, sorry, set builder form. X such that x is belongs to r, a is less than or equal, x is less than or equal to b, a is less than or equal, x is less than or equal to b. Here x mean set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers, but include in between a to b with n points a and b. Okay va? A க்கு b க்கு in between la irukkudiya set of all real numbers and a and b with a and b set including a and b. The meaning close interval a comma b. Okay va? Right. Next, open interval a comma b. Open interval a comma b mean the set of all real numbers in between a and b and excluding a and b, excluding a and b. That means except a and b, except a and b. That means set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers in between a and b, but except a and b, a comma b, except a comma b. A and b எடுத்து கூடாது. Okay va? In between all rational numbers are real numbers except n points, except n point. Listen students, first one close interval mean with n points, including n points. A and b is involve this value x value, but open interval mean except n points, only in between set of all real numbers only. The function of value has in between set of all real numbers in a to b, but a and b is excluding. It's not a value of x. A and b is not a value of x. Okay va? So the roster form of the open interval a comma b mean x such that x is belongs to r and a is less than x is less than b. A is x less than x is less than b. This is a set builder form. Listen students, here a is less than or equal and x are equal to b. That means a and b are including this value of x. So x value you can take in between all real numbers and including a and b. But open interval mean set of all real numbers in between a to b, but excluding a and b. That means except a and b. So x value we can take only one, include in between a to b values only, not a and b. That is open interval. So simple open interval mean n points எடுத்து கூட அவ்வளவுதான், in between values only. Okay va? So less than greater than கான்செப்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. less than அப்படின்னா என்ன சொல்லுவோம், a is less than b அப்படின்னா a க்கு ரைட் சைடுல வேல்யூ மட்டும், a எடுத்துக்க மாட்டோம். சப்போஸ் லெஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு கொடுத்தா ஏயும் எடுத்துக்குவோம். அது போல தான் இங்கே. ஸோ ஓப்பன் இன்டர்வல் மீன் எக்ஸப்ட் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ், க்ளோஸ் இன்டர்வல் மீன் வித் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ். ஓகேவா? இன்க்ளூடிங் ஏ அண்ட் பி, ஹியர் எக்ஸப்ட் எக்ஸ்க்ளூடிங் ஏ அண்ட் பி. ஓகேவா? ரைட். ஸோ க்ளோஸ் இன்டர்வல்னா வித் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ், ஓப்பன் இன்டர்வல் வித்தவுட் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ். In between set of all real numbers, set of all real numbers. Right. Next, listen. Next, first, second, okay. Next, third, fourth. Listen, students. Suppose third one, half open, half close. Half open, half close. Half open, half close. So open interval. The open interval. Open interval of A and B. The set of all real numbers in between A and B and including A but except B. B is not in the value of X. This way, A is less than or equal to X and less than B. This is the third one. Half open, half close. Half open, half close mean, so half close, half open mean close interval of A comma B open interval. Here set of all real numbers in between A to B with endpoint A only, but B is not the value of this X. B is except the value of B. Okay, so X such that X is belongs to R, A less than or equal to X is less than B. Here B is not involved with this value X. Okay, right. Next, half open, half close. This is what close. Open interval of A comma B, that is half open, half close. The set of all real numbers in between A and B except A, but except A and including B, including B. So less than or equal to B. This is a last one concept. Okay, listen students. First one, close interval of A comma B. First one read as close interval of A comma B. Second one, open interval of A comma B. Third one, half close A comma B, half open. Fourth one, half open A comma B close, half close. Okay, so first one, set of all real numbers in between A to B and including A and B. Here the value of X including endpoints. But second open interval mean excluding endpoint. The set of all in between rational numbers only. And last one, the third one, the set of all real numbers in between A to B. Here including A but excluding B. Okay. Next last one, the set of all real numbers in between A to B except A and including B. Okay, right. Next, the number line. So listen students. First interval, close interval. First one, close interval A comma B. Close interval A comma B. Draw a number line A, B. So listen students, close interval mean set of all real numbers in between A to B, including main point, including the end points. So including end points mean dark point A and B in between. So shaded the line in dark. With A and B. Okay, so A and B சேர்த்து ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன். Including A and B na A and B ஷேர் பண்ணி ஃபுல்லா ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன். In between all numbers with A and B. Next, second one, open interval A comma B mean A, B. Listen students, share the region, share the numbers only in between all real numbers only except A and B, that means hollow points. Okay, not sorted into these points to A and B. Listen students, here dark points A and B mean including the end points. Okay, here the circle, small circle or hollow points. Small circle is called open interval of a comma b, only in between numbers only, except endpoints a and b. Okay va? Right, next third one, half open a comma half open close. A is dark point a and b is small circle hollow point b. That means except the point b. Listen students, here a is a dark point. Okay, that means including the point a. But here small circle b, the point b is small circle. That means open interval b except the point b. Okay, right. Next fourth one, half open a and half close b. That means listen, a b. A has a small circle point and b is dark line. Okay, so in between lines are dark line, in between numbers. So the fall in between all real numbers except a including b. This is half open a, half close b. Okay, this is a interval concepts of real numbers. Okay, so close interval, open interval, half close, half open, half close. Okay, right. Next, one more examples. Listen, an example. Given form in set builder form. Set x such that x is belongs to r, x is belongs to r, minus 5 is less than x is less than or equal to 7. Minus 5 is less than x is less than or equal to 7. So listen. This is a interval. This form is set builder form. Set builder form. Right, listen. So x such that x is a set of all real number. Set of all real numbers in between minus 5 to 7, including 7 except minus 5. So this form, the set builder form is written in interval open into half open minus 5 comma half close 7, half close 7. This is a set builder form. Listen students, set builder, you know the set builder form means a listed number of elements, but here the set of all real numbers is not written in the listed number of elements. Okay, so only write in the form interval concept, interval formats. That means set of all real numbers in between minus 5 to plus 7 except minus 5 and including 7. Okay, this is a interval. This is a interval concept, off open, off close. Here minus 5 except minus 5 and including plus 7 in between set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Next. Notes. So listen, here b minus a, if the interval open interval a comma b or close interval a comma b or half open a, half open close, so half close a, half open b, or half open a, half close b, then b minus a is length of interval on these intervals. These intervals. Listen students, length of interval means length of interval mean right limit minus left limit. Right limit minus left limit. If open to a comma b, here a is a smallest value, b is a biggest value. You know that the number line left side value is smallest value, right side value is biggest one. The main concept here a comma b mean a is less than b. A is less than b. Here b is a greatest number compared to a. You know the number line left hand side numbers are less than compared to right hand side number. Here a is left side of b. So b is a greater number compared to a. A is a less than number compared to b. Okay, right. So the length of interval mean b minus a. Here b is a greatest value, so length is positive. Length is only positive. So right side value is the biggest one. B is a biggest value, a is smallest value. So the length of the interval a comma b, close interval, open interval, or off open, off close, off close, off open. If any interval have the length of interval is b minus a. B minus a. For example, if a given interval 7 comma 10, then the length of this given interval, so length of the given interval 7 comma 10 is 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So 3 is a length of this given interval. Here 10 is a greatest number, 7 is smallest number. So 10 minus 7 is length. Suppose you take 7 minus 10, you have the answer negative minus 3. So minus 3 is not a length. So length is not positive, not negative answer, only positive answer. So the length of the interval is only b minus a. If we give an interval a comma b, or open or close any one interval, but the length of this given interval means b minus a. So right hand value minus left hand value. Okay, right. Next exercise number 6, one question. Exercise number 6. Listen, exercise 1.3, question number 6. Write the following as intervals. 6th question. First one question, x such that x is blanks to or minus 4 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. Is a roster form, set builder form. So write the interval form in the given set builder form. Listen students, a given information x, value of x is a set of all real numbers, or capital R means set of all real numbers, and minus 4 less than x is less than or equal to 6. Given information minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. That means set of all real numbers in between minus 4 to plus 6 except minus 4 and including 6. Excluding minus 4 and including 6. Okay, so this form is in the interval, right, in the form minus 4 open interval, off open, minus 4 comma plus 6 close. Okay, that means minus 4 to 6 in between set of all real numbers in minus 4 to 6 except minus 4 including 6. This is the correct answer. Okay, right. Next, second question. Question number 2. X such that x is blanks to r, minus 12 less than x is less than minus 10. minus 12, x less than minus 10. Less than same as x such that x is blank set of all real numbers. Minus 12 less than x less than or equal to minus 10. Sorry, minus less than minus 10. Not less than or equal, less than. So the interval form is minus 12 less than open, comma minus 10 less than. So same minus 12 comma minus 10 open. So open interval of minus 12 comma minus 10. Okay, va? Next third question. Third one question. X such that x is blanks to R. X is blanks to R. Comma 0 less than or equal x is less than or less than 7. Less than 7. So x is a set of all real numbers. 0 less than or equal. So 0 less than or equal to mean close interval. 0, comma 7. Here less than only. So open interval. So close interval of 0, comma 7 open interval. Off close, off open. Right? Next, fourth one. X such that x is blanks to R. X is blanks to R. 3 is less than or equal, x is less than or equal to 4. Very simple. Listen, x is a set of all real numbers in between 3 to 4, including 3 and including 3 and 4, including endpoints. So the interval, close interval of 3 comma 4. Close interval of 3 comma 4. This is the correct answer. Okay, va? So 6th question is over. Right? Next. Question number 7. Question number 7. Listen, students. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Sixth question method. Sixth question, write the following as intervals. Set builder form to intervals. But seventh question, interval to set builder form. Okay? Right. So write the following intervals in set builder form. So given interval first question, minus 3 comma 0, open interval of minus 3 comma 0. Open interval of minus 3 comma 0. So listen, students, open interval of minus 3 comma 0 means set of all real numbers. So the set x such that x belongs to set of all real numbers common, and the condition in between minus 3 comma 0 except endpoints. So minus 3 less than, except endpoint means less than, x is less than 0. Listen, students, minus 3 comma 0 open interval. Open interval means less than. Okay, va? So both sides open interval. Left hand open side, right hand open interval. So except endpoints. So minus 3 is less than x less than 0. Next, second one question. Close interval of 6 comma 12. Close interval of 6 comma 12. So x such that x is belongs to set of all real numbers, and condition in between 6 to 12 including endpoint 6 and 12. So 6 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 12, including the endpoint 6 and 12. So using the symbol less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Okay, right. Next, third one. Question number 3. Open interval 6 comma 12. Open interval 6 comma 12 is close. Half open, half close. So x such that x is belongs to set of all real numbers. A condition 6 is open interval. So 6 less than x. 12 is close interval. Here close interval. So less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Next, last final one. Fourth one question. X such that, minus 23 close interval, comma 5 open interval. Close interval minus 23, comma 5 open interval. So listen, minus 23. So x is such that x is belongs to set of all real numbers. Okay, va? comma minus 23 as close interval. So close interval minus 23 less than or equal to x, and 5 as open interval, so less than 5. So this is set builder form of given intervals minus 3 comma 0 and 6 comma 12 and 6 close interval 6 comma 12 and open interval 6 and close 12, half open half close, and next half close half open. Okay va, right? So exercise 1.3 is over. So subset concept and power set, universal set very very important. So study well the exercise number 1.3 and the concepts, subsets, power set and universal set. Okay va. So class work la proper complete பண்ணிருங்க. Okay va. Day by day ஒரு 15 minutes ஆகுது இந்த கிளாஸை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிவிட்டு கொஞ்சம் ஓனாக ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடுங்க. ஓகேவா. ஸோ கான்செப்ட் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான ஸ்லோவாக டீச் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். ஓகேவா. ஸோ கான்செப்டோட ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா. ஓகே ரைட், பை.